Save your soul, you gotta save your soul. Your soul is all you ever had. Your soul is all you ever needed. You gotta save your soul so you don't get defeated. Way before your body gets deleted, you gotta save your soul and never be defeated. Your soul is that beautiful part of you. It's that part of you that came here before you came here physically. Your soul represents the greater part of the sun. It's your portion of light. It is your portion of power. For you are the sun and the sun is the soul. We are the only people old enough to have a soul. The people of soul. Yes, indeed. Everything you do, everything you do is a direct correlation of the sensation of your soul. Your soul is what allows your eyes to roll in the back of your head when you're laying in your bed dead. Yes, I said dead because when you sleep, you die. But when you're a coward, you die 1,000 deaths. A soldier only dies once. A soldier is in control. A soldier is in control and in direct correlation with the soul. Mind, body, spirit, and soul. The soul is more important than the spirit. You can't take the spirit with you. The spirit is something here on the planet that stays when you leave, goddammit. But this ain't the way I planned it. This is the way that the gods planned it. Yes, indeed. And the soul is what allows the body to be a momentary thing. A momentary thing. The energy of your soul is encapsulation in your brain. Your soul is the greater part of you. It's what allows you to be exactly what you've always wanted to be. But only if you choose to tap in and live in direct correlation of the powers of the soul and remove fear. The soul does not like fear. Your soul does not like it here. Your soul wants to go everywhere and your soul wants you to persevere. So, listen to the energy of your soul through your desires. Your desires is your soul yearning and screaming and yanking and pulling on you to, we want to be like this. This is who we really are. All of those desires that you have, that is your fucking soul talking to you. Yeah. You hear him knocking, let him in. Connect with the energy of your soul. The soul is the most important thing. The soul is all that matters. The spirit stays here. And so does your body. But your soul is you. And it never dies. It re-manifests and reconfigures itself. The powers of your soul divine. Feed your soul by feeding your desires. Feed your soul by sun gazing. Look at the sun and fix your soul fragments and soul facets. There's a lot of damaged people out here. Your soul can get damaged from your mother having a very hard child-bearing situation when she had you, and some of your soul facets and fragments could have got shook loose. A lot of women get facets and fragments of their soul shook loose when they're having a very bad time during pregnancy. And they get the postpartum thing. Heal yourself by staring at the sun when it's rising, real soft in the morning, not when it's bright. And let that photonic energy feed you and ground you. Heal your soul. Heal yourself. Put your feet on some dirt, some sand, some grass. Get a little bit of that Mama Earth, that Mama Gaia energy. Some of that dark mother energy. Divine feminine energy. Tap into it and let that energy activate your cosmic memory, feeding the soul until your eyes roll. And you begin to have a meeting of the mind with the ancestors, having that Kundalini divine experience. The soul. The soul. A beautiful thing. The soul. That's all you have. Feed your desires and feed your soul. When you're around people and they make you feel funny, that's your soul telling you to leave that shit alone. Quit forcing yourself to be around and deal with or think about things that are not feeding your soul. Feed your soul exactly what it wants, and that's peace. CorleoneGiovanni@gmail.com. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Email me. Book a spiritual consultation. Get all your spiritual questions answered in a nice 30-minute to an hour session. And then let's discuss a few things. Set you up with a comfortable payment plan. Get you situated to start your own spiritual business and become a student and a registered member of the Black Illuminati. CorleoneGiovanni@gmail.com. Treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. I'll be waiting. Go.